Hey guys, this is Kay here with Operation Off the Grid Tiny Home. Reed and I wanted to just give you guys an update on the status of our Sunmar composting toilet. Um, we have been living in our tiny home full time now for a little over a year, and this thing is fully operational and has just been really incredible. We only have the best things to say. So this is again the Excel NE unit. So non-electric, kind of a larger capacity. We only have to empty it every couple months, if that. And yeah, one of the major upgrades that we did get, we had purchased it just with the vent stack as is, and we decided to upgrade and get the 1 watt fan. So that is now, you can't actually see it from the inside, but it's sitting on top of the stack and it has a 12-volt connection. So we're using that. It's running off of our solar panels. The draw is so low that we don't notice any issues with our electric. And that just helps to speed up the evaporation time. We were noticing our liquid just wasn't evaporating quite as quickly as we wanted. So we did end up purchasing that. It was a super easy retrofit to just stick that on top of the stack. And other than that, things have been going pretty fantastically. No issues with smell, and it's very convenient. Throwing some sawdust once a day, the microbes every week or two, and yeah.
We got
Read
the
anything to add?
little chart here, so we can always be up to date on when the sawdust and the microbies and the spin and empty, so we always can stay on track of that and keep us on the same page.
Yeah.
But no, other than that, I mean, it's we're currently in our 20-foot by 8-foot tiny home, and the Sunmar is our main and only bathroom, and it's been near perfect for about a year. And yeah,
we only have the best things to say, and the team has been awesome to work with any issues that we've had. Respond super quickly, make sure we get all our issues addressed. So we are super happy. Thanks to the team at Sunmar for their ongoing support, and we will keep you posted.
woo.